In the bustling world of modern work, where teams are increasingly distributed and projects are becoming more complex, the need for robust and flexible project management software has never been greater. Among the myriad of options available, one name consistently rises to the top of discussions: ClickUp. But with so many tools on the market, why should you specifically choose ClickUp? As a seasoned project management expert, I've seen countless teams struggle with fragmented workflows, missed deadlines, and communication breakdowns due to inefficient tools. ClickUp addresses these pain points head-on, offering a powerful, highly customizable, and increasingly intelligent platform that aims to be your one app to replace them all. Here are the key reasons why ClickUp should be a top contender for your project management needs. 1. Unmatched customization. Tailor it to your unique workflow. This is arguably ClickUp's biggest selling point. Unlike many tools that force you into a predefined way of working, ClickUp embraces flexibility. It recognizes that no two teams or projects are exactly alike. Custom statuses. You can define the exact stages your tasks go through. Whether you have a simple to-do in progress done, or a complex workflow with drafting, review, approved, published, ClickUp adapts. Multiple views, from lists and boards, Kanban, to calendars, Gantt charts, timelines, and even mind maps. ClickUp offers over 15 ways to visualize your work. This means every team member can choose the view that makes the most sense for their individual workflow without disrupting others. This is a game changer for collaboration. Custom fields. Need to track specific information that isn't a standard task field? No problem. Add custom fields for anything from client priority and budget codes to specific project phases or unique identifiers. This ensures you capture all the data critical to your projects. Click Apps. These are optional features you can enable or disable, allowing you to tailor your workspace to exactly what you need, avoiding feature overload if you're starting small. This level of customization means ClickUp isn't just a tool. It's a framework that you can mold to fit your exact operational rhythm, whether you're an agile software development team, a content marketing agency, or a construction crew. 2. All-in-one platform. Reduce tool fatigue and context switching. One of the biggest productivity killers in modern workplaces is tool fatigue. Constantly switching between different applications for tasks, communication, documents, and reporting. ClickUp aims to solve this by bringing many essential functionalities under one roof. Task management. Of course, at its core, it's a robust task manager. Docs. Create collaborative documents, wikis, meeting notes, and knowledge bases directly within ClickUp, linking them seamlessly to tasks. Whiteboards. Brainstorm visually with digital whiteboards, which can be connected to tasks for actionable outcomes. Chat. Communicate with your team in real time, directly within tasks, projects, or dedicated chat channels, reducing the need for separate messaging apps. Goals. Set and track high-level company or team goals, linking them directly to the tasks that contribute to their achievement. Time tracking. Built-in time tracking allows you to monitor hours spent on tasks, crucial for billing clients or analyzing team productivity. Dashboards. Create custom dashboards to visualize key project metrics, team performance, and progress at a glance. This consolidation means fewer scattered conversations, fewer lost files, and a more cohesive working environment, which directly translates to improved project efficiency. 3. Powerful automation. Eliminate manual busywork. Repetitive tasks are a drain on time and energy. ClickUp's automation capabilities are designed to take these manual chores off your plate, allowing your team to focus on meaningful work. Custom automations. Set up rules based on triggers, e.g., when status changes to complete, and actions, e.g., then assign tasks to John Doe or move to archive list. Pre-built recipes. Choose from a library of common automation templates to get started quickly. Integration with external apps. While not an all-in-one replacement for every tool, ClickUp can integrate with hundreds of other applications like Slack, Google Drive, Zoom, GitHub to centralize notifications and information flow. Automating workflows ensures consistency, reduces human error, and frees up valuable time for strategic thinking and creative problem solving. 4. Robust reporting and insights. Make data-driven decisions. Effective project management relies on accurate data to track progress, identify bottlenecks, and make informed decisions. ClickUp offers comprehensive reporting features. Real-time dashboards. Build personalized dashboards with various widgets to display critical project metrics like task statuses, workload, time tracked, and more. Workload management. Visualize your team's capacity to prevent burnout and ensure equitable task distribution. Burn down/burn up charts. Track sprint progress and ensure your team is on track to meet deadlines. These insights empower project managers to proactively address issues, optimize resource allocation, and communicate project health clearly to stakeholders. 5. AI power enhancements. The future of productivity. ClickUp is actively integrating artificial intelligence, AI, to make the platform even smarter and more efficient. While AI in project management is still evolving, ClickUp's approach is designed to assist rather than replace. AI writing. Generate task descriptions, summarize documents, or draft emails. AI note-taker. Automatically transcribe and summarize meetings, identifying action items. AI fields. Potentially automate data entry or categorization based on task content. Deep search. Find information across your entire workspace, including attached files and linked apps, with greater precision. These AI features aim to reduce administrative overhead, improve information recall, and help teams make faster, more informed decisions. Is ClickUp for everyone? While ClickUp is incredibly powerful, it's worth noting its versatility can sometimes lead to a steeper learning curve for new users. Its sheer number of features might feel overwhelming at first. However, ClickUp provides extensive documentation, tutorials, and a supportive community to help users get up to speed. For project managers, teams, or even individuals looking for a tool that can truly adapt to their evolving needs, centralize their work, and drive efficiency, ClickUp offers a compelling proposition. It's a platform built for growth, designed to scale with your ambitions, and continuously evolving with new features and intelligence to help you deliver projects on time, every time.